Now let us see first example of errors. Suppose 1.414 is used as approximation to root 2. Okay, this is the approximate value. Suppose we are taking for root 2 answer. Okay, find the absolute and relative error. This is absolute error we have to find, then relative error. Also we can find percentage error in the same example. We can calculate percentage error by multiplying 100 to this relative error. Okay, now solution, let us start with this approximate value of root 2 which is given in the example, that is 1.414, but true value of root 2 is this. You can make the calculation by using calculator. In the calculator put the value of root 2, whatever the whole number we are taking this as it is. This is actual true value. Okay, this is approximate value, this is which is given in the example. This is true value, this we know or we can calculate, and we have to find out the error. The error is nothing but true value minus approximate value. This is the formula for error. Okay, therefore put the value of true error is this minus approximate error is this. Answer is 0.0.21356. Okay, now what is the question? We need absolute value, absolute and relative error. Absolute error is nothing but true value minus approximately calculated value, that is this value, this error mod, and mod value is nothing but as it is. This is not a negative value. If it is negative value, take a positive, that is a absolute value, absolute error. Now calculate relative error. Relative error is nothing but absolute error divided by true value. What is absolute error? This value divided by true value is this, as it is. Calculate on calculator, we get the answer this 0.151 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is a relative error. And what is percentage error? Multiply only by 100 if they are asking for percentage error. Okay, and this, let us what is percentage error? A relative error into 100 means 0.151 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 100 means 0.151 into 10 raised to minus 1. This plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, answer is 0.0151. This is our percentage error. Put the percentage sign here also. Okay, now this is the homework for you. If 0.333 is the approximation of 1 by 3, same example, find absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Okay, next, round off the number 37.46235 to 4 significant figures and compute relative error and percentage error. What is the first step? We have to round off this number up to 4 significant figures. Okay, now let us see what do you mean by 4 significant figures. Let us see, number round off to 4 significant figures means we are going to use only 4 digit of the starting from first digit. We are going to take only 4 digit. Okay, that is 37.46. Okay, now approximate value which is given is 37.46. that approximate value means the round off value. Okay, now true value we know, that is 37.46235. Okay, now therefore this is called the rounding off up to 4 significant figures of the decimal point. Now as usual, calculate error. Error is nothing but true value minus approximate value, which is round off value, is this. Answer is 0.00235. Absolute error is nothing but modulus of this value is same. Relative error is absolute error divided by true value, that is absolute error divided by this true value. Answer is this. Okay, calculate on calculator. Now percentage error is nothing but relative error multiplied by 100, that is this into 100, that is 10 raised to minus 3. This is the simple questions. Now find truncation error of e raised to x at x is equal to 1 upon 5. If first first three terms are retained in the expansion. Okay, we have to find out truncation error of this e raised to x expansion. And what is the what is approximation they did in the example? First three terms only we have to consider in the expansion. For this particular example, so we want e raised to x formula. Okay, we have to mug up all these formulas. Now we know e raised to x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus, and in this is infinite value. This is the true value obviously. Okay. Now approximate value means in the example how much term we are going to take is the called approximate value. First three terms only we have to retain. That means 1 plus x square by 2 factorial. First three terms only we are taking. That means this is approximate value and this is actual true value. Therefore now calculate error. This is actual true value minus this approximate value. Now subtracting this from this, we get these three terms get cancelled from this, only this series. Okay. Therefore x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus, and so on. This is an infinite series. We are subtracting this term, three terms only. That's why we get the this infinite series from x cube by 3 factorial. Okay, this is truncation error, neglecting the higher power. Now we are asking for particular point. That's why I put x is equal to 1 upon 5 in this error. We get truncation error is equal to 1 upon 5 q. Put x is equal to 1 upon 5 everywhere, plus and so on. Calculate on calculator. Only first three term we are getting. That's why answer is 0.0014025. You can write it as 1.4025 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Now next, if x is equal to 2.53